This is just a quick video to show you our Embroidery Format Converter software for Windows and macOS. For converting individual designs, the free version is all you'll ever need. It's yours to use forever, free. Here's a quick demo of how versatile this desktop software is. I'm going to import 17 embroidery designs, and each one is in a completely different embroidery format. I'll then set the target format to convert them all to the DST format. Notice how one of those designs is already in the DST format, and the software is smart enough to recognize there's no need to convert that existing DST design. In this next example, we will generate PDF charts for 10 embroidery designs. By default, it will collect the information contained in all the designs and generate one chart for the whole collection, which may be useful for creating a catalog for a collection. But you also have the option to check the box on the PDF settings page to generate a separate PDF chart for each design you imported. If you'd like to get your hands on this software, you can download it from embroidery-converter.com.